कोलाबा कॉजवे वाले दिन याद आ गए ब्रो, कोलाबा कॉजवे वाले दिन याद आ गए. This is why I don't wear Indian stuff, because I don't do justice to Indian, like I don't have that grace, you know. I'm like, but yeah, anyway. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So in today's video we're doing something different, something that we haven't done in the longest time. I'm finally filming a haul video, that too a try on haul. Oh my. Ever since Shein got banned in the country, I've been looking for like alternate websites to shop from and like, you know, figure out if I can, you know, get some good quality, cheap or even affordable stuff. Like even Shein wasn't that cheap, to be honest. I knew about Ajio since a very long time, but I never thought that, you know, the stuff would be good and affordable as well. But I am surprised. I am shook to the core. I'm shooketh. Quality is good. It's exactly what you would expect when you see the pictures. And also the prices aren't. मेरी आंखों से पानी आ गया पता है. Got a bunch of stuff from Ajio because they had their sale going on Independence, around Independence, and I bought like so many things. I bought like Western stuff and Indian stuff. So today's video is going to be only about the Indian stuff that I've got from Ajio, and I'm going to be making a part 2 of Ajio haul pretty soon. That's going to have like all of the Western stuff, which I can't wait to show you guys. It's got dresses and everything, but focus. So I haven't ordered anything fancy. I've only ordered like stuff which is wearable, which is like very comfortable. Prints are really decent. It's all very like, you know, chic but modern and not like very heavy with the work and anything. Yeah, I mean my mom had to like fit a few of these because the sizes were a little bigger. Although I called for like small size, so I think I should have called for extra small, but I don't think they had like extra small in most of the outfits that I called for. So I had to like get them altered a bit, but that wasn't really a big issue because my mom has her silai machine, so she just like is looking for a reason to like keep fitting my outfits. So you guys, I'm just going through my order summary to see what was the final amount that I spent on all of these outfits. So I spent a total of 2,495 rupees and 35 paise, for which I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, all of which are like 6 of them are kurtis, 2 of them are pants, palazzo pants. So 2,495 rupees for 8 items. That comes up to about, can somebody please do the math for me? I think it has to be somewhere around 250 rupees, right? Please don't kill me in the comments, please. You know my math is not that good. Actual amount was 6,000 rupees, out of which I got a discount of 2,800 rupees, of which I again used a coupon code for 900 rupees. 400 rupees was in my Ajio wallet. And then the final amount that I paid ultimately was only 2,000 rupees. So the amount which I was supposed to pay was 2,500, but because I had some Ajio money, I don't know how. Maybe it's like the initial amount that you get. I don't know. I mean, some credit points or something. But in all, I just paid 2,000 rupees cash from my pocket, okay? And rest everything, basically like 4,000 rupees was the discount. I mean, are we kidding? Like, what? Is this a joke? I think it's just a Reliance thing, you know, how Reliance, they just give you everything for cheap, get you hooked onto it, and then they like start charging money for it properly. But till then, I think you should just, you know, whatever, grab whatever you can for the amazing prices that they're selling for. Also, it's not sponsored, you guys. I'm just amazed at the prices. It's like 200 rupees, 250 rupees for a kurta. I really don't mind paying that much. I placed my order on 15th of August and today is 26th of August and 2 items have yet not been delivered. So it's been like roughly 10 days and a little bit more. So yeah, 10 to 15 days if you want to just take an average. Yeah, that is it about the order. I think without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the haul and let me show you guys what I got from Ajio. I have everything in this one big tokri. I'm gonna take it out one by one and show you guys what we have here. First is this kurti, which is this ash gray sort of a kurti. I really love the color. Again, it is it's printed, but it looks nice. It's sort of festive, very nice material, not see-through at all. Everything about this kurti is really nice, except for the fact that this was too loose for me, so my mom had to like really alter it for me to get it fitted to my size. And apart from that, I've called for these palazzo pants, which were separate. The original price of the palazzo pants are 699 rupees. I have got these for the palazzo pants for 220 rupees. I mean, what? The palazzo pants have the detailing here at the bottom, and also the material is sort of silky, so it's not cotton as you can tell, so it looks slightly more fancier. Kurta originally was for 500 rupees. I have got it for 399 rupees. which is good. I sort of felt like these two would make a really nice pair and a good combo, you know. And it sort of looks festive, but it's comfortable and it's breathable. So yeah, this is the first kurti and this is the palazzo that I got. Moving on, I have this kurti which is so pretty. I mean, it looks so pretty. This is such a, like, you know, college going or like, you know, something like that. It's so fun. I really love the color. I really love the hand detailing here and the print and everything. Like, I really love the kurti overall. It's just a very chic, very, like, you know, very modern, very pretty, very girly sort of a kurti. So this kurti I got for 420 rupees. The brand is Rangriti and the material is really nice. It's not see-through. It's very nice material. It's sturdy, it's thick, it's sort of cotton. So this kurti is for 420 rupees. It has to be slightly on the higher end as per what I've bought. So amongst everything that I've got, I think this is the most expensive one. This is for 420 rupees, which is still really cheap. If you see, I really love the print. I really love overall how it looks. This is the type of basic stuff that you wear if you're just gonna go out to run some errands. Oh wait, we can't. Just in case if you want to look cute while grocery shopping, you know, you could wear something like that and maybe pair it up with white mask or something, you know. The third kurti that I have here is again printed. I'm a fan of like pale and like white and, you know, printed kurtis because I feel like they look very like very nice, you know. They like casual and chill and relaxed vibe. So this is another printed kurti that I got. And in fact, when you get like casual kurtis like that, you can actually style it up in whatever mood that you're in at the moment. Like if you want to just keep it chill, don't style it up with anything, just like put your hair up in a bun and that's about it. That has a vibe of its own. Or if you want to take it, you know, slightly more glamorous, you could probably play around a little bit more with the accessories, pair it with a pair of high heels and just like accessorize with a bag or something like that. So, you know, you can always play around with your casual stuff and that's the best, because if you get like really you know, like fancy stuff, then it's sort of limited. The genre is sort of limited. But when you get like basic stuff, you can actually play around with so many things. The original price of this kurti is 499 rupees. I got it for 366 rupees. I mean, I feel like such a smart shopper right now, you guys. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Moving on to the next kurti, which is this really nice printed yellow mustardy kurta. Again, my mom had to fit this one as well because this was very loose for me, although I ordered for a smaller size. A very casual kurti, but as I said, you can actually play it up with your accessories and just like, you know, glam it up, jazz it up, whatever you feel like doing. Now this kurti originally is for 899 rupees, that is for 900 rupees, but I got it for, can you guess? Can you guess? Any guesses? No? Okay. I got it for 283 rupees. I think you guys want to just take a break from this video, probably reach out to that tissue paper and wipe your tears that you didn't buy. But you know, there's always a next time. Right, and with that, the last and final kurti that I got is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is my favorite out of everything that I ordered. It's so classy, it's so chic. I can actually keep it very simple, very casual, just like the way I'm wearing it. Or I can play it up with so many accessories and just jazz it up and like maybe have a fancy dupatta and style it in a very fancy sort of a way, in a very festive sort of a way, because the material itself also looks very fancy and very pretty. This kurta honestly is my vibe. This is what I'm into. Like, I love pairing my basic stuff with accessories and just like jazzing it up and glamming it up according to what I'm feeling like. And this is so comfortable, it's basic and it looks good, it feels good, and the fit and everything is also nice. I mean, although my mom I think had to fit this one as well, but yeah, I mean overall the kurta looks really nice. And the palazzos that I'm wearing are also from Ajio. Especially got for these palazzo pants to match with the kurti, and I feel like they look so bomb together. Let me quickly tell you guys the prices. The kurti is for 283 rupees again. Okay, and the palazzo pants are also for 220 rupees, you guys. Colaba Causeway wale din yaad aa gaye, bro. Colaba Causeway wale din yaad aa gaye. So this is basically it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I made a mistake there. I have 7 outfits delivered. Only one is missing. This one parrot green kurti, which again was for 283 rupees after discount. It's again a very like college going, like a very office vibe and very chill, casual. I love the pop of color. It's just that I'll have to wait for another few days to get it delivered, and when I do, I'm gonna show you guys on my Instagram story, so stay tuned there. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I enjoyed filming this whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as well. These are all of the things and all of the outfits that I called from Ajio, and I feel like this was a good deal, especially for 2000 rupees for everything that I bought. It's so amazing. Also, if you guys have any more website that you want me to try out, please let me know, because I'm literally on the hunt to look for like new websites to shop from. And in the past like 10-15 days, I have spent quite a bit of money on, you know, a few more websites. I've called for like shoes, I've called for stuff, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted on that. Anyway, you guys, stay tuned for Ajio sale haul part number 2, which will be with all of the western outfits. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, that's it. Like, leave a comment if you enjoyed it too much. Also, you can share it with people if you want, and I will see you next time. Bye.